Good morning, guys. The next topic is about instructions, language of the computer. What is the language? Does computer understands our text and word we use? No. Here, the language of the computer is your bytecode. What is bytecode then? It is nothing but your zeros and ones. Yes, the instructions or language we use in computer is converted into zeros and ones, which is known as bytecode, which is machine understandable. Let's move to instructions. Here instruction uses several terminologies. Those are operation code, that is opcode, operands, instruction set architecture, that is ISA. Then we use stored program concept. Let's see briefly about these methodologies. What is an instruction? An instruction is a binary code which specifies a basic operation for the computer. uh, Operation code or opcode, which defines the operation type. The operands define the source and destination of the operation. ISA, instruction set architecture, that is, it is nothing but your instruction and registers. ISA describes the processor in terms of what the assembly language programmer sees. The opcode and the operands follows stored program concept. What is a stored program concept? It is an idea that instructions and data of many types can be stored in memory as numbers. Operations. The computer performs the arithmetic through operations. The MIPS arithmetic instruction performs only one operation and must always have exactly three variables. Let's see an example. Add A, B, C. Here, what is the operation done? Here, the operation done here is it's going to add B and C and store the value, that is sum of the value. Here the operation is add. Here the we are going to store the sum of the value in C. The hardware for a variable number of operands is more complicated than hardware for a fixed number. It's always essential to design the instructions with the same number of operands so as to simplify the hardware requirements. Operands. The operands of arithmetic instruction must be from specially built memory location called registers. The registers are accessed as 32-bit groups termed as words. MIP architecture supports 32 registers. There are two operands we have, that is memory operands and constant or immediate operands. In memory operands, we have several points. We'll discuss those points one by one. Memory operands. We'll see what is memory operands. The operands are always stored in registers. Data transfer instruction is a command that moves data between memory and register. Address of an operand is a value used to delineate. What is this delineate? It is going to define or define the location of a specific data element within a memory array. In memory operand, we have two words. They are load word and store word. Let's see what is load word. The transfer of data instruction, that is, that copies data from memory to a register, is traditionally called load word, that is LW. It is denoted by LW. The format of the load instruction is the name of the operation followed by the register to be loaded, then a constant and register used to access memory. The sum of the constant portion of the instruction and the contents of the second register forms the memory address. These are the references. These three books are referred to prepare for this slide. Just refer these books. Thank you. If you have any query or doubt regarding this PPT, you can mail me at kartikaran@savita.ac.in. Thank you.